Do you want to navigate the Polygon network like a pro? In this episode of Diamond Hands, we'll walk you through every step of the process, from connecting your Metamask wallet to Polygon to making transactions on the Polygon network. To get started with the Polygon network, you only need your Metamask wallet. Go to the website chainlist.org and look for the Polygon mainnet. Click Connect Wallet and a message on Metamask will pop up asking you to sign in. Click Next, Connect, and then Approve to add the Polygon network to your Metamask. Now you can use the Switch Network feature to switch to Polygon. You can see the currently active network in the top middle area of your Metamask wallet. Click on the drop-down menu to switch between different networks. One important thing: to make transactions on Polygon network, like sending USDT, you must pay the gas fee in Matic. That's the native token of the Polygon network. You can top up your wallet with Matic as you did with USDT. While your Metamask wallet's network is set to Polygon, click Buy. You will be redirected to your portfolio page where you can connect your wallet and select your country. Make sure the crypto you are buying is set to Matic and enter the amount of fiat currency you are willing to spend. There might be a minimum purchase requirement based on the service provider. Next, select the payment method. Choose the debit card option as it is faster than the bank transfer. Once you connect your wallet, you will see the Get Quotes button with payment service providers available in your region who will handle the purchase of Matic with the quotes. You can check the conversion rate and service fees here. Select the one you like and click Buy. You will be redirected to the payment service provider's page to complete the purchase. Now you can enter and verify your email address and card details. If it's your first time using the payment service provider, you must verify your identity by uploading both sides of your ID document and your selfie. This process is called KYC verification. If you want to know more about KYC, check out our episode 2 here. Remember, you must complete it to purchase crypto. Congratulations, you can complete the purchase. If the transaction is successful, your Matic will arrive in your wallet in no time. Now that you have some Matic to make transfers on the Polygon chain, you can top up your wallet with USDC or USDT on the Polygon network. The best part of this is, unlike USDT on the Tron network, you can pay using USDT or USDC with your existing Metamask wallet. You don't need a separate Tron wallet. Well done! You have mastered the essentials of the Polygon network. You're now equipped with the knowledge to make lightning-fast, cheap transactions. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful crypto content. See you next time!